Sasabak na ang ating atleta, Gerald Pete Mangliwan from the Philippines. He is a 7 times gold medalist in the Asian Games. Kilalanin po muna natin sandali si Gerald Pete Mangliwan, born in Kalinga, Apayao, Philippines, October 17, 1979. He is now 44 years old. Gerald is no different from any other athlete. He would like to get an Olympic gold. So please let us all follow Gerald on his journey. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Salamat po. We will continue to follow the journey of our Paralympic athletes. So please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We do a daily update.